Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Hillel Day School, home of the Hawks in Farmington Hills, Michigan. My first visit to their campus, such a beautiful morning. In their main school walkway, lobby entrance, more or less. And they have these acronyms and different school mottos, mantras all over the school. But this one right here outside the gym, it's talking about being respectful, being responsible, being kind, being yourself. And that really tied into today's focus, right? We talked about bullying. This was for the first and second graders, one assembly in the gathering area over there. But the sub-theme was on looking at the heart first, right? Seeing everyone around you for their heart before anything else, just like you see your best friend, right? And our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action. We can say something so kind that it stays in someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely say something so negative and mean that it stays in their heart in a very bad way for the rest of their life, right? So we have this choice, and to even know at a young age, there's a lot of pin drop moments, a lot of positive feedback from the staff too, some of the heartfelt stories that touch their heart, but also the inspirational videos, the positive music, the motivational picture slides, that talked about some of the anecdotes that I shared. All that combined is how I'm trying to reach, these students at the heart level, staff too. And to know that, in under an hour's time, I have that ability to, potentially impact someone's heart, touch their heart, think about over the course of a school year, right? And beyond. If we keep our hearts open to that love and kindness, right? Try to be that change for this world, right? That we must be that change. That's our job as human beings, to really spread that love, spread that kindness. This world needs a lot more of it. To see people for their heart first, but also for this too. I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. Trace one of mine here. And sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand, and this M stands for miracle. At the front of my shirt, upside down, W is for worthy, right? That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it, but we have to believe this, because a lot of students I speak to, people in general, sometimes they have never been told this, or they've forgotten. They need a reminder, and we can be that light to their heart if we choose to. Mark Twain, he said, the famous author, he said that kindness is the language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see, and they can't really hear it or see it, right? But they can feel it in their heart. And so if we can just, be able to understand that, yes, sometimes we're hurting, have gone through something, are currently going through something, will go through something, we can always turn that pain into greatness, right? We can always rise above the hate, right? Because I say a big reason why bullying happens is that hurt people, but also healed people heal people, right? And so if we can step into that part of it, then we know that we can be all in for this planet. So thanks for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.